I used to live in the French Alps for 6 years, and I did the transcontinental race in the summer, so I raced one stage from London to Istanbul, so 11 countries on my bike in one day, so been aboard my bike quite a bit. I just never really thought about it, or I didn't even realise that you should really insure your bikes, but I think it's always a risk, and I've actually been really lucky, but I've had so many friends, especially when I was living in the French Alps, and a lot of people would come out on holiday and there's so many people flying in with their bike bags.
We've got a lot of money's worth of bikes. The luggage handlers don't really understand that and like to throw them about a bit.
So many stories of people having things broken on their bikes, where their bags have just been, chucked on and off the plane and things like that. And I had one friend who got injured actually trying to take his bike bag off the conveyor belt. He couldn't ride for the first couple of days.
I know a lot of people who have either lost their suitcases with helmets and shoes and things, or they've lost their bike boxes and they've had to wait virtually their whole holiday to get it back, and by that point they're having to fly back, and it can be a bit of a nightmare.
Even our director, James Smith, was flying to Denver a few months ago and lost all his bags for his family on the way, and it took them over half the trip just to get them back.
Having a sponsor like Velosure is great for coming on training camps like we are.
Having your bike covered, having your kit covered, I think is a great thing for the team to have.
If they did get damaged or lost, then they will be covered so that the cost won't come down on us.
Yeah, it's nice to know that we're covered for events like that.
I think you can be as careful and pack it as well as you can with loads and loads of padding and everything like that, but then the reality of it is there's always a chance that something could happen. It's just really good to have the reassurance that if you've got bike insurance, that something's going to be done about it.